ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു നീമാസ് ക്ലാസ് റൂം. സെപ്റ്റംബർ 24 നടക്കാനിരിക്കുന്ന ഓവർസിയർ, ട്രേസർ, ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ്സ്മാൻ, ട്രെയിനിങ് ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ടർ എന്നീ എക്സാമുകൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള ലാസ്റ്റ് മന്ത് പ്രിപ്പറേഷനുള്ള ടൈമായിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിനുവേണ്ടി പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയേഴ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിനകത്തു നിന്ന് എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സാണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഡെയിലി 20 to 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് വൈസ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. അതിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ കുറച്ച് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ടോപ്പിക്സ് നമ്മൾ ക്ലാസ് ആയിട്ടും ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. സോ എന്തെങ്കിലും സജഷൻസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻ്റ് ഇടാൻ മറക്കരുത്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ്, ബിൽഡിംഗ് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ പാർട്ട് 1. First question, for the construction of 10 cm thick brick wall, the bond preferred is. For the construction of 10 cm thick brick wall, the bond preferred is options: English bond, Flemish bond, header bond, stretcher bond. So the answer is stretcher bond. Next question, in a 3-chord plastering, the third chord is known as options: floating chord, setting chord, bonding chord, peripheral chord. So the answer is option B, setting chord. Next question, different types of pitched roofs are options: option A, mansard type, option B, gable type, option C, both A and B, D, thatch type. So the answer is option C, both A and B. Next, which of the following has the lowest bearing capacity? Options: fine sand, loose and dry, moist clay, coarse sand, loose and dry, coarse gravel. So the answer is option B, moist clay. Next question, the moisture content in a well-seasoned timber is options: 4 to 6%, 10 to 12%, 15 to 20%, and D, 100%. So the answer is 10 to 12%. The moisture content in a well-seasoned timber is 10 to 12%. Next question, a good brick when immersed in water bath for 24 hours should not absorb more than options: 20% of its dry weight, B, 30% of its saturated weight, C, 10% of its dry weight, D, 20% of its saturated weight. So the answer is option A, 20% of its dry weight. Next question, a good building stone should not absorb water more than options: option A, 5%, option B, 10%, option C, 15%, option D, 20%. So the answer is 5%. Next question, the lower edges of the sloping surface of a roof called. The lower edges of the sloping surface of a roof called options: A, bottom ridge, B, valley, C, eaves, D, gables. So the answer is option C, eaves. Next question, the type of window provided on the sloping side of a pitched roof is called options: option A, dormer window, option B, gable window, option C, lantern, option D, none of the above. So the answer is option A, dormer window. Next question, the most commonly used retarder in cement is options: option A, gypsum, option B, calcium chloride, option C, calcium carbonate, option D, none of the above. So the answer is option A, gypsum. That is the most commonly used retarder in cement is gypsum. Next question, a wall constructed to withstand the pressure of an earth filling is called. A wall constructed to withstand the pressure of an earth filling is called option A, buttress parapet wall, option B, parapet wall, option C, retaining wall, option D, buttress. So the answer is option C, retaining wall. Next question, which of the following has the highest bearing capacity? Which of the following has the highest bearing capacity? So the options are option A, black cotton soil, option B, soft clay, option C, fine sandy soil, option D, hard rock. The highest bearing capacity in the following is option D, hard rock. Next question, the maximum number of steps in a flight should generally be restricted to? The maximum number of steps in a flight should generally be restricted to? Options, option A, 10, option B, 12, option C, 15, option D, no limit. So the answer is option B, 12. Next question, as compared to English bond, double Flemish bond is option A, stronger, option B, more compact, option C, costly, option D, none of the above. Answer is option D, none of the above. It is more aesthetical look. It gives more aesthetical look. Next question, the amount of water used for 1 kg distemper is options 0.2 liter, 0.4 liter, 0.6 liter and D, 0.8 liter. So the answer is the amount of water used for 1 kg distemper is 0.6 liter. Next question, number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter of brick masonry is options, option A, 400, option B, 450, option C, 500, option D, 550. So the answer is option C, 500. Next, the blowing action of a foundation trench occurs due to options, vacuum, pneumatic pressure, vibrations, hydrostatic pressure. So the answer is hydrostatic pressure. Next question, reason for providing frog in the brick is to? Reason for providing frog in the brick is to options, prevent sliding of the brick, reduce weight of the brick, option C, both A and B, option D, none of the above. So answer is option C, both A and B. Next question, first class timber has an average life of options, option A, less than 1 year, option B, 1 to 5 years, option C, 5 to 10 years, option D, more than 10 years. So the answer option D, more than 10 years. Next question, the last one, which of the following is a rock? Options, option A, quartz, option B, mica, option C, gypsum, option D, none of the above. So the answer is option C, gypsum. ഇന്നത്തെ സെക്ഷൻ ഇവിടെ തീർന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഡേ again 20 to 50 question answers വീണ്ടും കാണുന്നതായിരിക്കും. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.